In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start linear graphs and their application. Exercise 8.3, class 9, subject math. In this lecture, we have to learn how we can construct the linear graph. Now, linear means the power or exponent of variable equals to 1. That is known as linear. For example, these are two equations. All the variable having power 1. So that is known as linear equation. Now, first of all, you have to solve this equation. Solution. Now x plus y, you can shift y on other side, you can shift x on other side, it's your own choice. Now y equals to minus x. Now you have to solve this equation. Minus y here. Now both terms shift to other side, minus 2x and minus 3. Minus multiply by y, shift on other side, then the sign of other side will be changed, 2x plus 3. Now you have to put the values of x turn by turn. First of all, you have to put the value of y equals to minus x, put the value of x equals to 0, 1, 2 or minus 1 or minus 2. It is better that you have to put two values positive, two value negative, and one value is 0. Now, this is a long question, so you have to put at least 5 values. Put x equals to 1, so y equals to minus 1. Put x equals to 2, then y equals to minus 2. Put x equals to 0, then y also equals to 0. Now, put x equals to minus 1. Now, y equals to minus 1, so y equals to plus 1. Now, you have to put x equals to minus 2. Now y equals to minus 2. Minus multiply by minus, then it becomes plus 2. Now you have to find the 5 values. Now same procedure you have to apply for equation number 2. Now put x equals to 1. Now you have to get 2 into 1 plus 3. Now y equals to 2 plus 1. 2 multiply by 1, 2 plus 3, 5. Now put x equals to 2. Now y equals to 2 into 2 plus 3. So y equals to 2 to the 4. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Now put x equals to 0. You have to get y equals to 2 into 0 plus 3. So y equals to 3. Now put x equals to minus 1. Now you have to get 2 into minus 1 plus 3. So you have to get minus 2 plus 3. So y equals to 1. Now you have to put x equals to minus 2. Now you have to get y equals to 2 into minus 2 plus 3. So y equals to minus 4 plus 3. So equals to minus 1. Now you have to construct table for these values. Now we will make the table for first equation x plus y equals to 0. Now second equation 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. This is the second table for second equation. Now you have to draw the Cartesian plane. Horizontal axes are known as x-axis and vertical line or axis are known as y-axis. Now both are perpendicular to each other. Now you have to take equal gap 1 centimeter. Now we will plot this value on this Cartesian plane. Now right side of x having positive, left side having negative value, up side having positive value of y and down side having negative value of y. So first table, x minus 1 and y 1. X minus 1 you have to join in dotted form. Now y 1. So you have to take this point and you have to get this 1 point. Now second is x minus 2 and y is 2 here. This is x minus 2 and y will be 2. Now you have to plot point on this. You have to join in dotted form. Now next is x0 and y is also 0. This third point. Now next is x1 and y is minus 1. So this is x1 and y is minus 1. So you have to get this point. Now this is fourth point. Next is x2 and y minus 2. So x2 here, x2 you have to extend line from x2 to minus 2. Now both are meet at this point. Now you have to join these 5 points. Let's see, these 5 points you have to join now. This is the first linear graph for first equation x plus y equals to 0. Now you have to draw the second linear graph for second table or second equation. Now x equals to minus 1, so y equals to 1. Same point is here. Now x minus 2 and y is minus 1. X minus 2 and y is minus 1. So in this point you have to get here. Now third is x0 and y 3. So you have to get this point. Now next is x1 and y 5. So you have to write here, you have to plot this point up the x1 and up to 5. So you have to join in dotted line. Now you have to join with 5. Now you have to get this point. Next is x is 2 and y is 7. So you have to extend to up to 7 in dotted form, up to 7. Now this is the point. Now you have to join these points. Let's see, you have to get these points. Now check that both linear equations meet at this point, and here x is minus 1 and y is 1. So its solution set is this common point named as R. Now write the last answer statement. Hence the common point R minus 1 and 1 on both lines is the required solution of the system. I hope you have to understand the linear graph for long questions. Allah Hafiz.